Good morning, students. Today we are going to do our chapter number 25 of English language. Chapter name is Structure of Sentences. In sentences, we have two things, phrases or clauses. First, we are going to study about the phrases. A phrase is a group of words which makes some sense but not complete sense. It does not have a finite verb, but if it may have an infinite verb, means participle, indefinite gerund. It has a meaning only in the context of a sentence. Means a phrase is a group of words which makes sense but not a complete sense. It does not have finite verb, but it may have infinite verb. For example, she has a ring of gold. You will succeed in the long run. Now, kind of phrases. We have four kinds of phrases. 1. Adjective phrases, adverb phrases, noun phrases, and prepositional phrases. What is an adjective phrase? Adjective phrase, a phrase that does the work of an adjective, is called adjective phrases, means which tell the quality of someone in the sentence, that is adjective phrases. Like as we have one sentence, the blue-eyed girl is my cousin. And when we make it according to the adjective phrase, we use here one adjective. The girl with blue eyes is my cousin. She wears a silken dress. She wears a dress made of silk. Number 2. Adverb phrases. An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. It may tell us how, when, why, or to what extent something happens or something done. Means it does the work of adverb, and if it reply us about the how work has completed, when the work has completed, why the work has done, and or what extent it has done. For example, her father lives abroad. So in this sentence we have to reply about where. Her father lives in a foreign country. He works carelessly. How? He works without any care. She spoke rudely. Again, how? She spoke in a rude manner. In the above sentences, we have a single word, an adverb, modifying a verb, then a group of words modifying a verb in the same way. When a group of words modify the verb, then it becomes adverb phrases. Number 3. Noun phrases. A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. The word which we use as a noun is called a noun phrase. For example, to stand first is my dream. To stand first is written in the italic, so we have to change it. She loves to help the downtrodden. In this to stand first, it is written as the noun. In second also, she loves to help. It is a subject, verb and object. And the downtrodden, it is the noun. Again noun. He hopes to win the first prize. What he hopes? Win. So win is noun here. Last one is prepositional phrases. My friend sat by the side of his cousin. The project failed for want of funds, means the sentence in which we use some preposition and after that we use object or subject. It is called prepositional phrases. In first example, my friend sat. It is noun and verb. By the side of, it is preposition, and his cousin is object. The project failed. It is subject and verb. For want of funds. For is preposition. Want of funds is object. In this way, we can make prepositional phrases. So students, it is your chapter number 25. I know that we had not done many chapters in between, Which chapter we have to do, we will do in next class. Now I will send you the book exercise of this one chapter. All of you will read it again, understand it. If you have any doubt, you can hear this video again, you can watch this video again, and after that, after understanding, you have to do your book exercise in the notebook. Book exercise number 1 and 2, A and B, you have to do in notebook, and book exercise number C you will do in book only. And you also have to write the definition of phrase, definition of adjective phrase, adverb phrase, noun phrase. All the definitions also you have to write, and the kinds of phrases you have to write. Have a nice day.